Thermosets, which include epoxies, polyurethanes, and rubber used for tires, are found in many products that have to be durable and heat resistant, such as cars or electrical appliances. One drawback to these materials is that they typically cannot be easily recycled or broken down after use, because the chemical bonds holding them together are stronger than those found in other materials such as thermoplastics. MIT chemists have now developed a way to modify thermoset plastics with a chemical linger that makes the materials much easier to break down, but still allows them to retain the mechanical strength that makes them so useful. In a study appearing in the journal Nature, the researchers showed that they could produce a degradable version of a thermoset plastic called PDCPD, break it down into a powder, and use the powder to create more PDCPD. They also proposed a theoretical model suggesting that their approach could be applicable to a wide range of plastics and other polymers such as rubber. Thermosets are one of the two major classes of plastics along with thermoplastics. Thermoplastics include polyethylene and polypropylene, which are used for plastic bags and other single-use plastics like food wrappers. These materials are made by heating up small pellets of plastic until they melt, then molding them into the desired shape and letting them cool back into a solid. Thermoplastics, which make up about 75% of worldwide plastic production, can be recycled by heating them again until they become liquid, so they can be remolded into a new shape. Thermoset plastics are made by a similar process, but once they are cooled from a liquid into a solid, it is very difficult to return them to a liquid state. That is because the bonds that form between the polymer molecules are strong chemical attachments called covalent bonds, which are very difficult to break. When heated, thermoset plastics will typically burn before they can be remolded. The MIT team wanted to develop a way to retain the positive attributes of thermoset plastics, that is, their strength and durability, while making them easier to break down after use. In a paper published last year, the research team reported a way to create degradable polymers for drug delivery by incorporating a building block or monomer containing a silyl ether group. This monomer is randomly distributed throughout the material, and when the material is exposed to acids, bases, or ions such as fluoride, the silyl ether bonds break. The same type of chemical reaction used to synthesize those polymers is also used to make some thermoset plastics, including polydicyclopentadiene, that is PDCPD, which is used for body panels in trucks and buses. Using the same strategy from their 2019 paper, the researchers added silyl ether monomers to the liquid precursors that form PDCPD. They found that if the silyl ether monomer made up between 7.5 and 10% of the overall material, PDCPD would retain its mechanical strength but could be broken down into a soluble powder upon exposure to fluoride ions. In the second phase of the study, the researchers tried to reuse the resulting powder to form a new PDCPD material. After dissolving the powder in a precursor solution used to make PDCPD, they were able to make new PDCPD thermosets from the recycled powder. The researchers believe that this general approach could be applied to other types of thermoset chemistry as well.